Did a software update break the Pdfiumviewer module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows systems specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get PDFium NET Library Wrapper running again. Before diving into the Pdfiumviewer module technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Pdfiumviewer module, a specialized .NET library based on Google's PDFium engine, used by developers to embed PDF viewing functionality within desktop apps. If missing, specialized document tools or billing software will display a blank window or report a PDF engine initialization failure. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The Pdfiumviewer module DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the PDFium NET Library Wrapper environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Pdfiumviewer module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Pdfiumviewer module. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Pdfiumviewer module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Pdfiumviewer module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.